So let's try to build a complete portfolio using just 4 or 5 ETFs. If I have to pick just one ETF and build my entire portfolio around it, it would be Nifty 50 ETF. Now within Nifty 50 ETF, the most obvious choice is Nifty Bs. So think of Nifty Bs as your foundation. Not very exciting, not something you will keep checking every day, but probably the most important part of the entire portfolio. Then second ETF I would add to the portfolio is gold. Not for returns, but for stability. In fact, gold becomes even more relevant for Indian investors because gold is a global asset. Hence, it acts as a hedge against INR depreciation. Then third ETF I would like to add to the portfolio is global ETF. Something like a Nasdaq 100 ETF. Again, the idea here is risk management with global diversification. It gives you exposure to some of the largest global companies that are benefiting from themes like AI, cloud, and digital platform. The fourth ETF I would like to add is a factor-based ETF, something like a Nifty 500 Momentum 50 ETF. It selects companies that are showing strong price momentum and periodically rebalances the portfolio. The fifth ETF is more of an optional layer, but this is where things get a bit interesting. This is where you take exposure to specific growth themes. For example, defense is benefiting from increasing government spending and localization. Similarly, capital market business tend to do well with rising financialization.